Welcome all of you to the F.T.P robotic show. Today is a 100 subscribers special giveaway video. Let's get started. So today I am giving away these Bluetooth headphones for a lucky winner. And you might be the lucky winner too. First, let's do the unboxing of the headphone. This is the box of the wireless headphone. Hands-free calls, comfortable fit, sweat-proof are some features mentioned in front of the box. In the side of the box, it is mentioned that you can buy it in two colors. And there are some features mentioned in the back of the box. There is a built-in microphone, 100 mAh battery and a micro USB charging port. And it also says 1 to 2 hour charging time. Playback time is 4 to 6 hours. So there is a micro USB charging cable and the Bluetooth headphones. There are 3 buttons in the headphone. The middle button can answer calls and the other 2 can increase and decrease the volume. And it has mentioned the right and left clearly. If you need to win these amazing Bluetooth headphones, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video and follow me on Instagram and comment down below in the comment section. A lucky winner will be announced in my next video.